Hi everyone, I'm Rosie and I would like to share my experience and opinions on Cricut Explore 3. I have been using this machine ever since it was released. It's one of my go-to devices in my craft room. It's capable of cutting over 100 materials such as paper, cardstock, iron-on, vinyl, which make it a versatile tool. Also, it's twice as fast as its predecessors, saving me a lot of time on my projects. When combined with the smart materials, it can make larger cuts up to 12 feet long without needing a mat. This is especially handy when I'm making multiple pieces. For instance, I made these 3 shirts for my friend all in one cut using Cricut Explore 3 and Smart Iron-On. I also made this baby shower sign for my friend's party, which was effortless thanks to the machine ability to make larger cuts. I use my Cricut Explore 3 for a variety of projects like cards, cake toppers, decals, stickers, and other personalized items. Being a creative individual, Cricut Explore 3 helped me to bring my ideas to life quickly and efficiently. This machine is pretty sleek. It has a very few buttons, making it not overwhelming and easy to operate. Most of the creative process is done in Design Space, a user-friendly and intuitive software that can be used on computers and mobile devices. Even if you don't have prior experience with design programs, you can quickly learn how to use it and you will be making projects in no time. In Design Space, you can use free images or sign up for Cricut Access, which gives you access to Cricut's library that has tons of images, fonts, and ready-to-make projects. I use Cricut Access in a lot of my projects because it's a time saver. Cricut Explore 3 has a lot of functionalities and a variety of tools to bring your vision to life. It's a fantastic machine that will exceed your expectations. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or just starting, Cricut Explore 3 is an excellent investment that will bring you happiness and joy through creativity.